Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's project I'm going to show you how to remove the grill assembly from a Chevy pickup truck. This really should apply to 1988 to 1998 Chevrolet pickups, whether they're 2 or 4-wheel drive. This happens to be an 89 K1500 4-wheel drive, and the reason that I'm doing this is because I need to remove the aftermarket transmission cooler that's in there, and I'm going to be replacing it with a B&M. And also I'm going to install a transmission spin-on oil filter. This video just for the grill. So first thing you want to do is remove the parking light from both sides. Some vehicles may have Phillips screws like this. Some of them may have Torx bit. Slide the assembly out, and then we will remove the bulbs and sockets from the housing and lay this aside. You want to do that for both sides. Next, we're going to start removing the fasteners. There's one here, here, there, and there on the top. This should be, I believe, a 7mm. All right, there's another bolt here. This wasn't even very tight. There's also another bulb in the side light. So there should be 3 that you have to disconnect on each side. Yep, there's one more screw. Okay, and the grill should just pull off like that. Very easy to do. All right, now we can see what we're working with, and this is what I'm going to end up replacing. I'm going to have to fabricate a bracket, probably off here to here. But anyway, guys, I wanted to show you. I didn't know if there was a good video on YouTube. Not hard at all, easy job, and that's it. So there's going to be more videos to come on this truck. Got a lot of good videos coming up. There's going to be, as I said, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do radiator install, and also install a Durale spin-on transmission filter. That'll be mounted in here. So anyway, thanks guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you in the next video.